Welcome to the TANG DAO Metaverse. I will show you how to participate in our Masters Hall of Fame. Before we begin, please make sure you have updated the Mi Tang app to the latest version from the Apple Store or Google Play Store to have the best experience. Let's get started. Tap on the map located at the top right corner of your screen. The teleport map at Ring 1 will appear. This season's Masters Hall of Fame is conducted at Fu Sheng Rui Hai, located at the north part of the map. This is your current location, indicated by the blue dot. Tap on this icon. Tap on this icon to confirm your destination next. We have arrived at the entrance of Fu Sheng Rui Hai. Do take note that the Masters Hall of Fame will be taking place at level 2. Let's head inside. A door icon will pop up when you are near the entrance. Tap on the icon. You will appear at level 1 of the building. Looks like there is an active daily check-in we can participate to, located at the right side. Let's head over and check it out. A gold icon will appear when you are near. Tap on the gold icon. You have successfully received your WEN coins. Tap on the confirm button. By checking in for 7 days in total, you will receive an additional 1,000 WEN coins. Be sure to come back often to earn a total of 3,800 WEN coins. Tap on the return icon on the right side of the banner to escape. We are done with our check-in. Let's head to level 2 now. There are 2 staircases that leads to level 2. One on the left and the other on the right side. When you are near the staircase, the icon for 2F and 3F will pop up. Tap on the 2F button to go to level 2. You will appear at level 2 of the building. We recommend moving toward the front seats for a better viewing experience. Let's head over to one of the seats. A sit icon would pop up when you are near a seat. Tap on the icon to sit down. Let's go through the functions available at level 2 next. There are 3 buttons you can use on the top right corner. The microphone on the left, the speaker in the middle, the camera on the right. Let's try out the microphone first. Tap on the icon. The microphone has turned green. It indicates it is on. You can now speak to other users at level 2 and they would be able to hear what you say. Let's try the next button. Tap on the microphone button again to turn it off. Next is the speaker icon in the middle. When the button is green, you can hear what the other users say in level 2. Do keep the speaker button turned on to hear our speakers talk during our Masters Hall of Fame sessions. Lastly is the camera button. Tap on the button to turn it on. Your front camera will be turned on and you will be projected on the left side of the screen, or the right side. Let's move on by turning off the camera. Tap on the button again to turn off the camera. Lastly, if you want a better view of the main screen, you can tap on the main screen to change to full screen. You can also tap on the close button on the right when you are done. We are done with today's tutorial. Thank you.